Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to convert BNB to USDT on MEXC Global. The first thing I'd like you to do is launch your MEXC app, which of course I've done right here. Now the next thing is, how can you download the MEXC Global app? You can get it on Google Play Store or Apple Store, depending on the device that you use. Launch any of those applications and look at the search bar. In the search bar, type MEXC and follow through the on-screen instructions to install. Now, after installing, it's going to take you right into the sign-up page where you're going to be asked to either log in using an existing account or to create an entirely new account. Now, whichever one you choose, once you sign in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in MEXC. So now that we're here to quickly help into today's text, and that is how to convert BNB to USDT in MEXC. From this homepage, I'd like you to head over to the bottom of your screen where you have a couple of icons representing diverse features. Now you have your home, markets, trade, futures, and wallets. Now I'd like you to click on trade. Once you head over here, at the top corner of the screen, you have spot futures in P2P. Ensure that you set it to spot. Now, right under spot, you have the TRX/USDT, which is your coin. Now, go ahead and click on that. Once you click on that, it takes you to this window. In the search bar, I would like you to type in BNB. Now, search for the USDT equivalent for BNB, which is BNBP/USDT. It has to be that. So, go ahead and click on BNB/USDT. Now, the top right corner, you have buy and sell. Ensure that you set it to sell. So once you set to the sell tab, select your limit, select your amount, select your quantity, and that's it. Now, once you click on sell BNB, you'll be able to convert BNB to USDT. So once you sell your BNB, you sell your BNB and receive whatever amount you want in USDT. So that's pretty much how you can convert BNB to USDT in MEXC. I can go by this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.